Hello students, EMRC Usmania University proposes a MOOCs undergraduate course on agrarian sociology, which is a broad subfield of sociology. Sociology is a science of society, whereas agrarian sociology will be talking about agrarian culture, agrarian society, agrarian politics, agrarian economics, etc. This paper will be informed theoretically and methodologically by the broader discipline. This course examines the distinct substantia foci of rural sociology, which includes agriculture, the food system, social inequalities, the environment, globalization, internalization, development, community and demographic processes, and the conceptual perspectives that have been applied to understand these substantive topics. In addition, the course addresses broader sociological questions about uneven regional development, the role of space in social theory and the social construction of reality. It is an agrarian sociology paper, hence at the end of the day, it is meant to ignite and cultivate the sociological imagination. The course will strike a balance between the key theoretical perspectives in agrarian sociology and the agrarian realities of Indian society. Agrarian sociology is full-fledged course carrying 6 credits equivalent to 40 hours of learning, and the course content, participating in discussion forums and other interactions. The course objectives are as follows. First one, to communicate agriculture as a foundational material and cultural practice which is at the heart of the formation of social collectives and make sense of the South Indian societies. Agrarian formations to familiarize students with agrarian situation, past and present, with the help of necessary theories and categories. To make a sense of agrarian communities, their structure, transformation and trials and tribulations in modern world. It tries to introduce students to the rich legacy of theoretical and empirical work in agrarian sociology and its continued relevance. The course consists of 10 units, which includes, and the first one consists of Introduction to Rural Society and Peasantry. Second, it consists of theorizing peasantry. Third, it consists of agrarian society. Fourth, agrarian structure. Fifth, agrarian system and themes in agrarian sociology. Sixth, key issues in agrarian society. Seventh, development concerns in rural society part 1. 8, development concerns in rural society part 2. 9, agrarian future. And the last unit consists of economic reforms and agrarian change. Now, how this paper will be useful to the students? This paper will try to create an empathy for an ability to engage with the agrarian communities as living societies and understand, grasp their condition as human condition. It will try to also appreciate of agrarian world and familiarity with the trajectory of theoretical conversation on agrarian issues and their social, political and policy implication. You also try to help the students have an understanding of emerging as well as enduring issues of concern in Indian agrarian scene. You will try to make the students ready for a range of academic and professional roles that may require a knowledge of agrarian societies. I request all the students to register for this course in due time and make this course a success.